Good morning, everyone. I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Your topic is tens and ones, page number 38 of your challenge book. Your learning objectives are students will be able to develop their understanding of decade numbers and will be able to work out values 10 more and 10 less than a given value. Look at this one slide. Here is 0. Add the 10 in 0. 0 plus 10 is 10. Now again add the 10 in 10, 20. Again add 10, 30, 40. Again add 10 in 40, 50. Keep adding the 10, 60. Again add the 10, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This is how you will make the decade number. Decade numbers are the multiples of 10. Look at over here. On this one page, we have so many colorful decade numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. These all are the decade numbers. Remember, count on to find more, and when we will count back to find less. Okay, we always count on to find more and count back to find less. Look at this one grid. On this one grid we have 10 less, 10 more, 1 less, 1 more. Let's put a 1 number over here. For example, I'm going to write down over here 25. Which number is this one? 25. First of all, let's make a 1 less than 25. You're going to subtract the 1 from 25. What is the answer? 24. 24 comes before 25. Now we are going to add the 1 more. You are going to add the 1 in 25. 25 plus 1 make 26. 24 before 25 and 26 is the after 25. Okay, now move to the up one. 10 less. 10 less means you are going to subtract the 10 from 25. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 25, what is the answer? Yes, 15. Now 10 more. We are going to add the 10 in 25. What is the answer? 35. Okay, one thing more. In 25, you know, 2 is tens, T is for tens, and 5 is the ones number. When you are going to subtract or add one number, only the ones number change. Like here is 5. When we are going to subtract the 1, 24 is the answer, so 4 has changed. When we are going to add the one number, 25 plus 1, see the 6 has changed, the ones number has changed. Okay, 2 are there. That is same. The tens number is same. But when we are going to subtract 10 or add 10 in 25, see the tens number has changed. 2 is the tens number. See, when we are going to subtract the 10, 1. Here is the 1 now. So tens number has changed. 5 ones number is same. 5 ones number is same. 5 is the ones number, that is same. Here when we are going to add the 10, 3 has changed. The tens number has changed. Okay. Now I have erased all my rough work. Move to the next one slide. Here, minus 10 plus 10. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 10 mean 10 less. Plus 10 mean 10 more. 1 minus 1 mean 1 less. Plus 1 mean 1 more. Again, put a 1 number over here. For example, I am going to put a 20 over here. Fine. Now subtract the 1 from 20. What will come? 19 will come. Add the 1 number in 20. 21 will come. Now subtract the 10 from 20. 10 minus 20 minus 10 is 10. add the 10 in 20, what is the answer? That is 30. Is this clear? Look at this one grid. When you are going up, you are going to subtract minus 10. Going down, add 10. Going right, plus 1. Going left, minus 1. This is how you can easily solve the grid. Now look at here, this one slide. Here you can see minus 10 plus 10, minus 10 plus 10, and the numbers are written inside. Okay, 93, 47 and 10. Let's solve this one. Plus 10 mean 10 more, minus 10 mean 10 less. When we are going to subtract the 10 from 93, what is the answer? 83, yes. And when we are going to add the 10 in 93, what is the answer? 103. Now let me change the color. The next number is 47. Subtract the 10 from 47. 47 minus 10 is 37. Now add the 10. 57. Now the last one number is 10 minus 10 make 0. 10 plus 10 make 20. If there is minus 10, subtract the 10. If plus 10, add the 10. Minus 10, subtract the 10. Plus 10 means add the 10. Okay, this is how you will solve this one, 10 more and 10 less. Now move to the next one slide. Look at here. On this one slide, we have 1 more and 1 less. Now the numbers are given, and you can see at the end of this one slide, we have the number line. Now with the help of number line, we will solve 1 more and 1 less. Okay, let's solve with me. It's very easy. This number line is going to be help us. Now here is the number 8. Now circle the number 8 over here on the number line. I have circled it. Which numbers come before 8? That is 7. Write down over 7. Before means you are going to subtract the 1 from 8. Okay, the answer is 7. Now which number comes after 8? That is 9. You will write it on over 9. And after means you are going to add the 1 number in it. Okay, when you are going to add the 1 in 8, the answer is 9. The next number is 9. Here is the 9. Where is the 9 on the number line? Here is the 9 on the number line. Before 9 we have 8. You will write it on over here. And which number come after 9? That is 10. You are going to write on the 10 over here. Okay, the next number is 5. Let's solve the 5. Here is the 5 on the number line. Before 5 we have 4. Write on a 4 over here. And after 5 we have the 6. So write on the 6 over here. Okay, this means when we are going to subtract the 1 from 8, that is minus 1, 7 will come. Add the 1, 9 will come. Minus 1, the answer is 8. Plus 1, the answer is 10. Okay. When you are going to subtract the 1 from 5, the answer is 4. And when we are going to add the 1 in 5, the answer is 6. Is this clear now? Okay. Now let me erase my rough work. Now put date and day on page number 38 of your challenge book. The page number is 38 of your challenge book. At the top of your page, you are going to put the day, that is Monday. In the center, write on the spelling of classwork and put the date, that is 5th April 2021. Okay, with very neat writing, put day, classwork and date and underline it. Okay, your writing should be very neat. With full spelling, you are going to write it down. Okay, classwork full spellings, Monday full spelling, April full spellings. Okay, the date is 5th April 2021. This is how you will put your date and day. This is the page number 38. Okay, what we have on this one page? We have a pyramid, tens and ones. We're going to solve the pyramid, and what you will do in your mind? You will keep in your mind these arrows. Okay, let me highlight the arrows. These arrows, okay? direction of the arrows you are going to keep in your mind, and you are going to solve these pyramids. When you will keep these one arrows in your mind, it will be very easier for you to solve this one. Fine. This arrow mean you are going to add the 1, and the direction of this arrow mean going up. That means you are going to add the 10 in the numbers. Okay, keep in your mind the arrow, the directions, and keep adding the numbers and solve the pyramid. Okay, let me explain this one page in detail. Okay, here is the hint is given on this one page. If necessary, use the 100 square to support counting on or back in tens or ones. Yes, very easy. Here is the 100 square chart. You can take a help from the 100 square chart. It's already available on the net. You can take out a print, or you can make it by yourself on a simple page and put in front of you and solve this one grid. For example, how can you take a help from this one 100 square grid? Yes, for example, the number is 45. Okay, which number comes before 45? That is 44. Which number is after 45? That is 46. So here you add +1 and here you -1. Okay, and when you are going up, you are going to add the +10, and the first we are going to subtract the minus. 45 minus 10 is 35, and when you are going to add the 10 in 45, the answer is 45. Okay, -10 +10. Okay, this is how you will use this one grid when you are completing this 100 square chart, when you are completing your grids. Okay, let's take one more example. Now the next number is, let's see, 47. 47 plus 1 is 48, minus 1 is 66. The number is 67. When we are going to add the one number, that comes 68, and when we are going to subtract the 1, that answer will come 66. Clear? Now subtract -10, the answer is 57. Add +10, the answer is 77. Fine. This is how you can take the help from the 100 square chart. Now I have erased my rougher. Move to the next one slide. Okay, here is the detail of the page number 38. Here they have given you a 1 point that, remember, adding 1 gives you the next counting number. Taking away 1 gives you the counting numbers before. When you add or subtract 10, the ones digits does not change. I have told you before. Okay, when you are going to subtract or add 10, the ones digit will not change. Only the tens digit will change. Complete the pyramid as you follow the arrows. Find the number at the top of the pyramid. When you are going to solve the pyramid, you keep in your mind these one arrows. Okay, direction of the arrows. Move to the next one slide now. See. Okay, here is a one more direction. Use this picture to find out which direction to move. Okay, up -1, down +1, left -1, right +1. Okay, you can also use this one. But when you solve these one pyramids, you are going to keep in your mind this one direction. Okay, these directions. Count on 1, count on 10. Both are count on. This means +1 +10. Okay. Now move to the next one slide now. Okay, look at this one. This is the first pyramid of your page. Okay, I give the name A. This is the first pyramid. Okay, let's solve this pyramid with me, and we are going to follow these directions, the up one, which are given on this one page. This one and the up one. Okay, this means +1 and this means +10. Okay, let's solve with me. Let me change the color now. Okay, here is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we are going to add the 1 in 7, what is the answer? 8. I have written 8. Now the arrow is going up. So this means you are going to add the 10 in 8. The answer is 18. Again the arrow is going up. Add the 10 in 18. What is the answer? 28. Okay, again I am going to follow this one arrow, the up one. I am again going to add the 10 in 28. What is the answer? 38. Again I am going to follow this one arrow. 38 plus 10 is 48. Again I am going to add the 10 because I am going to follow the up one arrows. Okay, 48 plus 10 is 58. Now the other side I am going to change my color. Now come over here now. Okay, we have to solve this one. This is a 26. The arrow is going up. So I am going to add the 10 in 26. What is the answer? 36. Now I am going to follow this one direction. This one arrow direction, okay? Towards my right side. 36 plus 1 is 37. Again I am going to add the 1 in 37. 38 will come and it's already there, okay? Now this one only left. Now 37. Let me change my color again. 37. The arrow is going up now. 37 plus 10 is 47. And when we are going to add the 1 in 47, 48 will come. It's already there and the answer is 58 at the up. Fine. This is how we will solve the first one pyramid, okay? It's very easy. Just concentrate the direction of the arrows. It's very simple. We are just going to add the 1 and the 10. These are two simple numbers which we are going to add it. I have erased my rough work. See, this is the final look of your pyramid. It's the solved one, okay? 8, then 18, 8, then 18, then we are going to add the 10, 28, again add 10, 38, again add 10, 48, again 10, add 10, 58. Okay, here we will first add the 10, 37, 36 will come, add the 1, 37 will come, and the next is 38. Now in 37, we are going to add the 10, the 47 will come, and the next is 48. This is how we solve the pyramid. Okay, now move to the next one pyramid now. Let's solve with me. Yes, this is the second one. This is the B one. Okay, let's solve with me now. It's very easy, okay? The same arrows directions we are going to follow. This one and the up one. Okay, these are two arrows which we are going to follow it. This up one, okay, and this one. Okay, here is the 6. The arrow is going towards my right side. So this means we are going to add the 1 in 6. What is the answer? 7. Add 1, 8, plus 1, 9, plus 1, 10, plus 1, 11. Okay, now look at this one arrow. It's going up. This means add the 10 in 11. What is the answer? 21. Add the 10, 31. Add the 10, 41. Add the 10, 51. Plus 10, 61. Okay, now let me change the color now. Okay, now solve over here now. 7. After 7, you can see this arrow is going up. This means you are going to add the 10 in 7. The 17 will come. Here is the arrow going towards my right side. So I am going to add the 1. That is 18. That is 19. That is 20. And after 20, there is already 21. Fine. Now let me again change the color. Now in 18, add the 10. That is 28. Okay, next add 1, 29 plus 1, that is 30, and the next number is 31. It's already there. Okay, move to the next one now. Let me change my color and I am going to take the red color. Okay, 29. Now here is the 29. You can see the arrow is going up. So we are going to add the 10 in 29. The answer is 39. Add the 1, 40 plus 1, 41. It's already there. Okay. Now 40, arrow is going up. 40 plus 10, that is 50. Plus 1, 51, and the last one is 61. See, very easy. Just add the 1 and the 10. Concentrate on the arrows and you can easily solve these pyramids. See, this is the final look of your pyramid. This is the solve one pyramid. Let me explain it. See, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Add the 10, 21. Add the 10, 31. Plus 1, plus 10, 41. Plus 10, 51. Plus 1, 61. Here again, 18 plus 10, 28. Plus 1 now. When we are going to add the 10 in 18, 28 will come. 18 plus 10 is 28. Add the 1, 29. Add the 1, 30. And add the 1, 31. Here again 29 plus 10, 39, 40 and 41. 40 plus 10 is 50 and 51 and the last number is 61. This is how you will solve your second pyramid, that is the B one. Okay. Now move to the next one. This is the last one pyramid. Now let's solve with me. 0, what comes after 0? We are going to add the 1 in 0, that is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next is 3, 4 and 5. Now look at the arrow going up. So this means if the arrow is going up, you are going to add the 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. Arrow is going up, add the 10, 25. Add the 10, 35. Add the 10, 45. Add the 10, 55. Now we have solved this one side now. Move to the next one side now. Look at here now. Here is the 1 and the arrow is going up. So this means you are going to add the 10 in 1, that is 11. Next is 12, 13, 14. Okay. The next number is 15. It's already there. Now let me change again. Okay. Now here is the 12. The arrow is going up now. See, the arrow is going up. So this means you are going to add the 10 in 12. What is the answer? 22. Add the 1, 23. Add the 1, 24. Add the 1, 25. Very easy. Now here is the 23. Add the 10 in 23. What is the answer? 33. Add the 1 because arrow is going towards the right side. So we are going to add the 1 in it. That is 34 and 35 is already there. Again, in 34, add the 10 in it. What is the answer? 44. And when we are going to add the 1, the answer is 45 and the last one is 55. See, just direction of the arrows you are going to follow. This direction is for plus 1. This direction is for plus 10. Keep adding the number and solve the pyramid. Now let's see the solve one pyramid. See, C. This is the solve one. Let me explain again the solve one. 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add the 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 10, 55. Now the other side, plus 10, 22 plus 1, 23 plus 1, 24. Again 23 plus 10 is 33 plus 1 is 34. 34 plus 10 is 44 plus 1, 45. And again, when we are going to add the 10 in 45, 55 will come. Okay, this is how you will solve this one pyramid. Now move to the next one. Yes, this is the final look of your whole page. See, we have solved A part, B and C. and I have told you one by one how to solve these pyramids. Okay, it's very easy. It's just a simple addition, plus 1 and plus 10. Just follow the instructions and look at the arrows, the direction of the arrows. Is this clear now? I hope this page was very easy. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.